Welcome to CAD Concepts. In this video, I will show you how you can transform your AutoCAD drawing to AI very fast, almost in no time. We will take multiple drawings, okay? And we will make perfect 3D very fast. Just from drawing, without taking a screenshot and attach reference, we will take directly, okay? So, without wasting time, let's begin. So this plan we have, okay? We will take this plan to AI almost in no time, okay? We will take this one, okay? So what we'll do, come to here, YQPrime plugin. Send it to AI. You can type GAI also, okay? So you will get dialog box, ChatGPT or Gemini. White screenshot, let this tick, and where you want. Let this ChatGPT. It instantly open ChatGPT and give you a screenshot, white screenshot, even black AutoCAD, but it will give white screenshot, both in one time. Now you see here, we are getting screenshot instantly from AutoCAD, and folder automatic open and ChatGPT also open. Both will open automatically, even if you not open your browser. And now insert your drawing and insert your screenshot. And let this make this image into 3D. Same as it is, we will take this drawing also. You have option for taking black screenshot or white screenshot, okay? Let this send it to AI. Now we will take Gemini. White screenshot tick, so it will open Gemini browser directly and will give you a screenshot. Folder will automatically open. Now you see here, we are getting white screenshot. See, our AutoCAD in black, but we are getting white screenshot. We will take this screenshot into black, okay? Let this untick. So if you will untick white background, it will make you black. Send to ChatGPT and folder will automatically open. It will go in temp folder, okay? Now we are getting black screenshot. So you do not require to take a screenshot, then loading, open browser. Directly you can open Gemini or ChatGPT and you can take your black screenshot or white screenshot without affecting AutoCAD setting or changing AutoCAD background. Now you see here. So we requested make this top view 3D and just wait for a while. We are getting our 3D top view for our floor plan. And same as it is here also. This is a powerful way to make your AutoCAD drawing directly to AI without opening browser, without taking screenshot. Both will open. Screenshot will take automatically and browser will open quickly. You want white screenshot or black screenshot, you can effectively take it out. So this simple but powerful tool will save you time. So what you are waiting for? In case you still not enroll YQPrime plugin, so don't take your skill lightly. Learn YQPrime plugin and stand out in your work. You can check out the link in the description and explore YQPrime plugin, more than 100 plus powerful tools. Must like, share and subscribe. If you have anywhere any doubt, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.